I'm at the K. Thomas showroom at BMICH. Currently, we have footwear and leatherwear fair at BMICH. When I'm doing a lecture, it's not only my dress, but my pair of shoes doing a vital part. Because when I'm wearing very comfortable and elegant shoes, it gives me smooth relaxation. So it's very important for everybody. Actually, the specialty of these K. Thomas shoes is there are so many specialties. They use high quality international standard technology while manufacturing these shoes. And of course, K. Thomas are specially concerned about their customers. They have recognized what their customers need. Truly, if you want to have a pair of shoes for your own measurement, K. Thomas do it. When you go to a normal showroom, you have to buy the what is called ready-made shoes. Sometimes it will be suitable for you, sometimes it will not be suitable for you. And the specialty of these shoes are they use 100% genuine leather while manufacturing these shoes. And of course, the breathing technology. While I am wearing, it's very comfortable for me. And the technology and the science and the art while manufacturing is very important, since they very much think about their customers. So I ask you to visit our showrooms at Nawam, Mawatha, and our factory is located at Ranmuthugala, Kirillawala. If you are looking for a specially manufactured pair of shoes for you, the #1 place in Sri Lanka is K. Thomas.